Have you ever color graded your footage and after exporting it, it just looks like garbage and nowhere near what it actually looks like in Premiere? Well, there's a very simple fix for that I'm going to share with you guys today.
I'll take you away to where the sun shines, so bright, you can stare at the stars.
How's it going, beautiful and amazing people? This is Takai and welcome back to another good old Premiere tutorial. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is click on the link in the description below, and that link is going to take you to Adobe's website. And I'm not going to take the time to explain all the things in the article because I honestly don't really care that much and don't even understand it. But if you want to read more in depth about it, it's there for you to check out. But the main thing that you want from this link is a free gamma compensation LUT you can download from here. Once you download it, you're going to want to load it into your Lumetri LUTs folder. So you're going to open Applications, click on the arrow next to Premiere Pro, and then you're going to right click the Premiere icon and click on Show Package Contents. Click on the Contents folder, then go down to Lumetri and then LUTs, and then you'll place the LUT into one of these folders. I put it in the technical folder since this is technically a technical LUT. The next thing you're going to want to do is click on that like button for the algorithm, which is obviously the most important step. That was probably the most awful wink anyone could do. Next up, you're going to open up Premiere, go to Preferences and click on General, and you're going to click on the Display Color Management box, and you're going to see the image change a little bit. And that's a good thing. That means you're doing it correctly. So now you can color grade your footage however you want, and when you go to export it, the last step you're going to do is go to the Effects tab and click on the Lumetri/LUT box, and you're going to search for the LUT, and once you've found it, select it and it will apply it to the footage. For some reason, the Apply tab is going to say none, but don't worry about that because this is technically what's supposed to happen for some weird reason. Adobe, just get your shit together. And then hit export, and then your footage should come out looking exactly the way you graded it. And just a little heads up, when you add this LUT onto the final footage, it's actually going to darken it a little bit. And if you want to fix that, what I personally do is I add an adjustment layer on top of all the footage, and then I add a Lumetri color effect, and then I up the exposure by 0.9. Once you apply the gamma compensation LUT and it darkens it, it pretty much looks roughly around what I would expect it to look without actually adding that LUT. So that's the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment because it helps my channel with the algorithm, and it'll help me grow and it'll help the channel grow. And be sure to follow all of my social media links down below to keep up with what I'm doing. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.